Hello, how are you? So in this video, I will discuss what are the types of designs that are best selling in Amazon. So if you're using merch by Amazon or like a Redbubble, TeePublic, similar, those are similar sites. So this first image is just a plain image, nothing else. There's no text. So sometimes you can put only a fish, and some people will just buy like that. If you love tarantula, like a scorpion, you can put only scorpion or a portrait of a lion. So you can put like a plain image only. So this one, it's a cross niche. So this is for people who loves aquarium. There are hobbyists for aquarium. They love fishes. They love aquarium. Just include us. This human is thinking of this one. So just a plain image will sell also in the print on demand. So this next image is image with text. So you can use a funny text, just basic. Sometimes you can put puns, like this one is a moth with the emote, like a emo. It's a emo moth. So like that, you can put funny or just a plain moth only. Example, you can put butterfly. You put butterfly here. This the second image. So some people will buy this one also. This one everybody knows from print on demand. Most of the people are doing this for print on demand. Sa retro sunset. You have an image, you just put a background. This retro sunset. Just search in the Google for the retro colors. So you can change the colors of this sun. For this one, it's an image of a pug with additional mountains and trees, forest. So to look it much better with the grunge effect. Okay, next. So vaporwave. So it's like similar to retro sunset, but this one is using vibrant or vivid colors. So it like a 90s or 80s vibe, like that. See the brightness. Yep. This palm tree is popular in this mountain, edgy mountain like this, with these lines. So these are very common for vaporwave designs. You can just replace the image and use magenta, CMYK colors only. So this fifth design is fingerprint. So you can download this fingerprint. There's a lots of website that have free for use using the fingerprint, and you can put any silhouette in the middle. So it's like some people will use this one for DNA. It's in my DNA, like that. Or you can use like this only, plain, like a thumb mark. 6 is a floral. So whenever you have niche, like you can put flowers on it. So this one including butterfly to make it look much better. So you will see lots of designs with the flower designs, like silhouettes of animals, like sports balls, basketball, soccer ball, using flowers. Sometimes you can put the ball and put the flowers in the background, or you can overlay the flowers in the silhouette. This one is a US flag, because we know that in Amazon, majority of buyer are from America, USA. So, and most of them are majority of America is a very proud American. So that's why this is also good. You can put tiger, ramen, any foods, any pets, animals you can put here, it here. Maybe hobbies, you can put a boat, ship like that. So it's better if you can make the flag grunge like this, like like it's not plain flag. Put some eroded effects. This another sample of American flag. You can use a silhouette of an animal and just overlay this American flag. This is much for me. I prefer this one, but some people will like this also. This is a heart design. This put a heart, put the image, and add some background. So you can put any items here. Food, animals, people, a UFO, like that. And it's a grunge effect. Okay, heart. This is a pop art. Especially these 4 boxes. It's a Andy Warhol pop art design. So very popular for pop art. You can check in the Pinterest or Google the other styles of Andy Warhol pop art. So you can get idea for combination of colors. So this one is especially for portrait. This is popular for portrait, but I'm also using this one for foods, vehicles, other hobbies. So it's for all also. This love. So this letter O, you can change this one with any niche you like. So like this, it's a pet. It's a Doberman. So you can put anything here. What is your niche? You can put here. This heartbeat. So this one is like you can place your niche in the middle and just put this heartbeat line. Okay, this one is very colorful, so you can use gradient colors to make it more appealing. This is line art only, but some people are buying this line art. So some of my clients are requesting for bulk designs used for line art because this is selling for them. Right, just plain line art without even text, without any text. So you can generate this one in a diagram. It's a continuous line art. This one is tie-dye. So you can see here this colorful. This is tie-dye colors. Just use any silhouette of whatever you like and apply this as overlay, color overlay to your image. Tie-dye. This one is very popular, the hairband, female with hairband. And you can write here in the bottom like this one as a headset, like music lover life, or music life, or maybe a gamer girl, #gamer girl. So it's popular also for female designs. This one you will see many times, this types of design, the eat, sleep, maybe cycling, repeat. So you can change here the image. Very easy to do this, and lots of people will buy this also. This is peace, love, Bitcoin. Peace, love, dog. Peace, love, cat. So this one is very, you will see lots of designs using this style. So like 3 icons only. Peace, heart in the middle, and your niche in the right side. Okay, so these are the 15 sellable designs in Merch by Amazon. Because I am getting lots of requests from my clients using these type styles for any niche. So they will give me a niche, and they are requesting this type of designs because they are selling from Amazon. For me, I don't have account in Amazon because it's always rejected. Because maybe I'm not from Western country. That's why. Okay. Bye bye.